Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add countdown timer in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see how Divi countdown timer works. So this is an example. Let's go to our demo website and make sure that you have installed Divi WordPress theme. So let's search for a new module, countdown timer, and here you can see how it looks by default. Then here we can add our own text, for example, New Year sale. And then here you can change the date whatever you want. For example, I can change to the 4 April. Then scroll down, here this is the time, then background. So if you want to change, just you can add the color code here. For example, I can copy this color code, then here I can replace the color code. After that, go to design tab. Then here you can see text properties. For example, if you want to customize the title text, and also you can change title font, title color, as well as you can align the title in the center, left, right. Same for the number text. So this is typography for the number text. You can increase or decrease size, as well as separator text. For example, if you want to remove these, just you can reduce the size, and here you can see that are removed. Then scroll down, these are some other properties, like you can add shadow as well as spacing and animations. After that, click here save. So within few clicks you can easily add countdown timer in your Divi WordPress website.